Hello, what's up everyone? I'm back again with another video, and this is a video tutorial. Today in this video tutorial we're going to see that how can we create a Google form or a Google form sheet where you fill in the details which are required, or you send it as a survey or as a questionnaire to someone or to people, So let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is go to your preferred browser, right? And after that, what you need to do is you need to type in Google form and press enter. And after that, you will see that here it is Google Docs, Google Form and Google Docs. Basically, it falls within Google Docs. So what you need to do is click on here, and this page will load up. So you need to know that form is not a separate thing. It falls within Google Docs, because most people are searching for forms.google.com and it never shows up. It's basically because it is within Google Docs. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create a blank one. You can have different kind of templates here. If you click here, you can see that there's a bunch of templates. You can use any. If there is some that might ease your work, where you don't have to go and do all the work yourself, you will have different templates here. But I would still walk you through a blank one, so you will have a better understanding of what is going on, how it works, and how you can actually edit these templates too. Because if you have the knowledge of the basic things, then you can later on edit or change these, manipulate these templates that are there already. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on blank. Right, now after that, what you're going to see is you're going to see this page in front of you. And basically what this is here is where it all starts. So first of all, it says untitled form. Now we're going to edit the title of the form. You click here. Basically it's simple as clicking there, and press Ctrl A and name it like my YouTube channel survey, right? So once that's done, now it's a description, a quick survey for my viewers, right? This is what we're going to do. So yeah, now once this is done, as you can see there beneath there, you can just change it, make it italic, make it bold. Yeah, we're going to keep it like this, something like this. And after that, now once you give it the title, you give it a description. And what's going to happen is the first question. What is going to be the first question? You click here. What's going to be the first question? The first question is going to be let's say enter your email address, right? We're gonna go with this, enter your email address. So this is the first question, right? Now once we enter the first question by just simply clicking here, and then you would see that here is a picture, an option for a picture. We don't need that. And here is what kind of answer that you're expecting from the user who is filling up the form. Now let's suppose it's a short answer, because they're going to enter their email address. Let's suppose if it's something lengthy where you ask something to be described, then it can be a paragraph. If it's a multiple choice question, yeah, that can be like in quizzes and stuff. And similarly, checkbox where you have to take multiple things, say yeah, and then there's drop down, there's a file to upload. Let's say you say upload a profile, upload a picture of your passport size picture. Simple as that. Date and time. When did you go to the specific spot last time? Yeah, and what time you're active around, and then you get the point, right? And after that, you'll get a toggle here. It says required. You click, you toggle it on. Now what's going to happen is if that person doesn't enter this detail, it is not going to proceed to submit the form. It's going to go back here and basically ask them that please enter this detail to go ahead and proceed with the form for the submission, right? Now, okay, this is done. Now we want to add another question. So what we're going to do is on the right hand side, you would see that there are a bunch of options, right? You can add video, add image, text, or anything like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to add question here. You can also add sections. See? But we are not going to add sections. We're going to add question. Now let's suppose this question is going to be like, are you subscribed, right? So this is the question. So it's a question, and now we would keep it as multiple choice question. Now here's where I want to show you the good part about this is that Google's AI. Let's say, are you subscribed? Yes. This is an option, right? We add here, click here to add another option. We click here, Google automatically says no. Aids it. Similarly, you would aid something, Google will try to refill the next one with a suggestion. If you don't like it, you can just change it, but here I would keep it at no. Now if I click again, it's gonna add another option. I can add as many options as I can, right? So in this for this instance, we're gonna go with these three. Now this is how it goes, right? Now similarly, I can add sections here. As I said, now as you can see, there are multiple sections. section 1 of 1, 1 of 2. I can add another question or another section here, like this is the section for the subscribers, right? For the subscribers, add a description that what my viewers want to see more. Okay, this is the description, and then I can add questions within this section. Let's suppose I make another section where I make it for the people who aren't subscribed, right? Like, okay, this is this section 2, and then for my subscriber, and then, you know, I can make a link it down and then add another section, and let's say this one is for those who aren't subscribed. Right, you get the idea, right? You can make multiple sections, and then you can add questions within those sections and then proceed. Similarly, you can add images where you can ask questions regarding the images. Now, this is the basic of that. Now, I'm gonna go and add show you the rest of this. The rest is simply, as you've got the idea of how to add sections and questions, the second is how to change the theme. You go here, as you can see, customize theme. You click on here, you would get the option same as the Google, the Gmail thing, where we would use to edit Gmail just like this. It's the simple as that. You can choose the color. Let's suppose my channel's theme color is green, and after that I can choose a header. If there is already a lot of headers here provided by Google, you can still upload or go to your photos and access those. But here I'm gonna just go and let's suppose click on something like this, right? And say insert this. Right, now it's going to be the header of this paper, and it's going to pick the theme from this color. So similarly like this, you can make these things. Or if you have done something and you want to undo it, you can simply click here to undo. You can click here to preview your form. You see, you say, okay, you enter an email. Let's say it's the rate gmail.com. So just fill it. Let's say no, and then go next, and then here, people who aren't subscribed. You see those who aren't subscribed. Now I have option 1 because I haven't added anything here yet. If I add something here, then it's going to proceed to that. So this is how it goes. This is how you fill up, make the form. This is how the creation is. After that, let's say people, let's say you made this form and now you want to send it to people. You can click here, send, and you can be like link. You can copy, shorten the URL, and then you can just copy it from here and then paste it in different groups, in different chats, and people can hop onto it and make fill up the form. Or you can go to response, and in response, if somebody fills up your form, it's going to show up here, and you can also export it as a spreadsheet because it's going to categorize basically all the questions that you have done in a spreadsheet, and it's going to make it in a spreadsheet, so it's easy for you to go through. You don't have to sort through different forms. It's actually in a single spreadsheet. You'll get all the answers, and it's going to automatically update as people fill up the form and go as it goes on. And you can let's suppose you want the survey to last for only a few days. You can close it after a few days, and people are not going to be able to fill up this form. And you can go to settings. You can make changes like this, that what the response want to be, like collect the email addresses as in one place where you are going to contact them later and stuff, or presentation kind of stuff. Okay, show the bars and all kind of these kind of things. So that's pretty much how you make the questionnaire or the form, or use the Google form to collect data, or to take a quiz or things like this. So that's pretty much it. If you have any question, if I haven't cleared anything, if I haven't cleared your question, then feel free to drop it down in the comment section. I'll happily, gladly respond to your question and show you how it's done, and help you through it. And yeah, that's pretty much it from this video. Subscribe for more videos just like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.